Right, so just looking at I'm right here in the Falcon Souq area, but I'm looking for the falcons. So that's the Falcon Hospital. Right, so just looking at I'm right here in the Falcon Souq area, but I'm looking for the falcons. So that's the Falcon Hospital. There's a falcon. Wow. I'm here in a Falcon Souq. That's the falcon. Falcon is a national bird of Qatar, and oh wow! And people here, the local, primarily have falcon as their pet. That's pretty cool. He's preparing. I'm going to be holding the close. Oh, okay. I have to hold the. Oh, that's pretty cool. Open?
No problem. Right. Toss.
I'm the falcon.
Yes.
So falcon is a national bird here in Qatar, and I found out. I read online that most Qatari, they own a falcon.
Yeah.
Right. Wow. How much is this?
50,000 Qatar riyal.
Wow. 50,000 Qatar riyal.
Keep like this. Close.
Close. There you go. Yeah. There you go. And a falcon. So this is in Falcon Souq. There is a Falcon Hospital, which is nearby. Awesome. So what does a falcon eat?
Yeah.
Chicken
fresh.
Chicken.
Yeah.
So they eat fresh chicken. So this falcon may eat me. All right. So there you go. Did you give him a name?
Jirgar Musha.
Jirgar Musha.
Yes.
Yeah. Jirgar Musha. So this falcon costs 50,000 Qatari riyal, and conversion wise, tanaman, it's 13,000 US dollars.
Yes.
Wow. And they are in different prices, right? Oh my goodness. 13,000. Oh. So this is a falcon, and it eats chicken 2 times a day, fresh chicken. So carnivorous. So next is the falcon. Outside is a Falcon Hospital. Wow. Alright, just came from a falcon shop, and that cost you a fortune. So he showed me that the most expensive is $400,000. So behind is next is the Falcon Hospital. Oh, it's hot. So that's the Falcon Hospital. So you can take a rest here. So that's the Souq Falcon Hospital. Oh my god. Alright, so that's the Falcon Souq Rocky Falcon Hospital, and next to it is the Falcon Souq store. Actually, this is the entire Falcon Souq, and this is the Rocky Falcon Rocky Souq. Oh my god, so Falcon costs you home in California. He showed me that the most expensive is 500,000 US dollars, and the one that was in my hand, it cost about 13,000 US dollars. So falcon is a national bird here in Qatar. Most Qatari family owns a falcon.